With Opusonix, setting up a mix review session is super quick and easy. Better yet, you and your client also get to enjoy an improved long-term workflow efficiency. Let's put that to the test and see just how fast it really is. Here, I already have the track files ready. Let's start the stopwatch. Create a new project. Import the mix. Add in some review notes. And finally, invite the client in. That's it. In just 1 minute, the Mix Review workspace is ready to go. But setup is just the beginning. Let's look at a few powerful workflow tips that make collaboration even easier throughout the project. First, the Notepod. Think of it like an embedded Google Doc, perfect for taking notes or logging project progress. Both you and your client can edit it in real time or catch up asynchronously. Next, the task list. Create and assign action items to yourself or your client. The input supports natural language parsing, so if you included a date or time, it will be automatically recognized and set. Further, everyone gets a weekly task summary email automatically. That means fewer status check-in emails and more clarity for everyone. And you will get to see these tasks showing up on your Opusonix dashboard and the system-wide calendar, so nothing slips through the crack even if you work with multiple projects at the same time. Use the Files pod for lyrics, scores, zipped stems, or even full session folders. Pro users get up to 200 gigabytes of storage, and clients can join your project by entering their name and setting a password. No plans needed. The audio track section isn't just for your mixes. You can also host reference tracks. Clients can upload directly here, making file collection painless. When you import new mix revisions, arrange them easily with drag and drop. Use the star button to mark the primary mix. And reject the outdated ones. This keeps the focus on the right version every time. When comments are added to a track, you can respond directly to them. This keeps discussions precise, contextual, and easy to follow. Opusonix also has a built-in chat for real-time or asynchronous communication. Since all messages are time-stamped, it can even serve as a simple project log. And when it's time to give everyone a heads up, use the Notify Editors button to send a single-click email that brings collaborators right back into the project workspace. Finally, it's a good idea to set the current stage of the project. For example, this one is in the In Progress stage, so it now shows up under the In Progress column on my Opusonix dashboard. You can label stages however you like, and even customize the stage columns on your dashboard to fit your workflow. With Opusonix, you spend less time managing reviews and more time focusing on the music. Try Opusonix today for free and see how simple collaboration can be.